Okay, I'm going to be presenting my sensory aid blog. So, for my first three slides, I did bad slides, and I'm going to be trying to sell you a baseball glove. So, the first idea was build, and as you can see, I used a very distracting font with a with a dark color on a dark background, and the picture's just kind of out there in the middle of the nowhere doing nothing. It's really distracting from the actual message I'm trying to get across. It's just not a good way to portray your information. And then on the second slide, again with the bad font, bad coloring, pricing is my title. My message has nothing to do with that, so there's another reason. And then the picture is actually just covering up a couple words in there, and it's just not a really good way to present the information. Then my third slide, bad picture. Um, my sentence is all kinds of messed up. Too many words in the sentence, and then not a very nice sentence in the second bullet point. Then the way I fixed it, I used design, and I showed what the actual design was and what the benefits of using this glove were. As long as I point out, or I also point out the larger pocket in the glove. And then for pricing, I compared it to other gloves and showed the actual pricing with a smaller picture. That way, it's not as distracting from the message. And then for function, I changed my title to popularity because most people, when they buy something, they look to see what famous person wears it or what famous person uses it. So I went ahead and threw some baseball players in there that use this glove or use this brand of glove. So there you go.